Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to get and activate an eSIM on T-Mobile for your phone. If you want to use your phone without a physical SIM, switch devices quickly, or run dual SIMs, T-Mobile's eSIM is the perfect solution. Some people get stuck trying to activate it or don't know where to start. I'll show you the simple steps to get your eSIM set up and working smoothly. Here's what you need to do. Method 1. Check if your device supports eSIM. First, make sure your phone supports eSIM. Most newer iPhones and Android phones do. Go to your phone settings and look for Add Cellular Plan or Mobile Network to confirm. Method 2. Request an eSIM from T-Mobile. You can get an eSIM through T-Mobile's website, T-Mobile app, calling customer support, or visiting a T-Mobile store. If you choose the app or website, you'll usually get a QR code instantly. Method 3. Scan the QR code or enter details. Once you receive your QR code or activation info, go to your phone settings and select Add Cellular Plan. Scan the QR code or enter the activation details manually. Method 4. Activate the eSIM. Follow the on-screen instructions to activate the eSIM. Your phone may ask you to choose a primary line for calls and data. Set it according to your preference. After activation, restart your phone if you don't see signal immediately. Method 5. Manage your eSIM. Once active, you can rename the eSIM, toggle it on or off, and set it for data, calls, or texts. This is useful if you're running a dual SIM setup. And that's it. Your T-Mobile eSIM should now be active and ready to use. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick mobile tutorials.